This was apparent to anybody who is in the tech world. Windows 8 is not going to be taken up by corporations because it just looks too, I don't know, childish. I'm not saying it's stupid operating. It's a very powerful operating system. It's got some really great features, but the tiling, it just doesn't cut it in the corporate world, people. And well, here apparently a study done by some independent or whatever, according to a Forrester report, 48% of the PCs are running Windows 7, and 38. Where is it? I think I read somewhere here 38% or something. Blah blah blah. Where is it? There we go. 38% of the business PCs are still running Windows XP. A lot of these people are not going to move on to Windows 7. Seriously, Windows XP was really good, and there's some really good stuff in Windows 7. For example, support for SSDs. But other than that, if your software works on Windows XP, you're pretty cool. Unless, of course, you've got multi-core CPUs. And Windows XP apparently doesn't support more than 4 cores or something, and then you have to switch to Windows 7, or you've got tons of RAM or whatever. So in that case, I can see it, but definitely Windows XP is going to be sticking around for a long, long time. OS 10 is only 7%. Windows Vista and Linux are on 4 and 3% of the IT issued machineries. Does not surprise me at all. And the corporates are not moving up to Windows 8 because, I mean, seriously, it's just it's not happening. As soon as they get a Windows 8 PC into the corporations, they backtrack it to Windows 7. And according to this article, it says it's because Windows 8 represents a significant change from Windows 7, but not yet a positive one from the enterprise. But not yet a positive one from the enterprise IT perspective. The new operating system has come at the wrong time for IT departments, which are experiencing migration fatigue as they move off Windows XP ahead of next April's deadline, says Forrester. So, I mean, that's kind of, that's pretty much it. They're looking at the PC and going, no, it's not happening because it looks too different. This seriously, Microsoft could have just helped themselves if they had not switched to the tiling. The tiling, you know what, works, I think, on the phone. I mean, if they have to use the tiling, it can go on the phone. Windows Phone, tiling, it works. But on the desktop, I could have, there's like millions of, they could have done surveys. And in fact, when they released Windows 7 beta or Windows 8 beta, alpha and stuff, people were screaming and shouting, don't do the tiling. The tiling is blah, blah, blah. It's not, they were complaining, and then they just didn't follow. And now apparently they're going to go back to the old style, apparently. What do you think about it? Do you love Windows 8 tiling or do you hate it?